pretty green plane.
Funky.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
I wonder what brand it is.
It's in New Zealand, look.
Oh, wow. Happy days.
I think it says holidays, actually, but anyway, it could be that if you wanted it to be.
Happy days.
Are you trying to make me laugh, Stephen?
Does it work?
No. Bye, Christchurch, again. That was a bit scary. Nah, I'll be alright. Just... I was worse than this last time, Fuck. Doing quite well, actually. Sheepies.
Where?
They're there.
Oh my god.
Oh, like you've never seen sheep before. Oh my god, look at sheep, says Stephen.
It's a sheep.
I don't see Dexter.
No.
The Flying Doctor Service.
When did they have that?
I think it's always been there. Have you ever taken off from this way before?
No.
Oh, that's why. We're about to take off. I can feel it. It's going to go vroom.
All randomly, suddenly.
Pretty much when it goes that's where we're going to go. It'll stop and then it'll just go boom. Oh, it might turn and go the other way. I don't know what way we're going at actually. It might do a complete turnaround. Or we might just take off this way. Yeah, that would make sense over the Alps because Brisbane's that way. Kind of boring looking out the window, really. Yeah, see? You'd love it. You'd love it. You'd love it.
I don't mind landing.
I prefer taking off, I don't like landing. Oh, we are going to go out this way, weird. Last time I left the other way.
Yeah, this is one we took off on.
And then it'll do a turnaround when it goes out towards the Alps or some shit. What Elvis is it, Stephen?
Yep.
Are you sure you want to do it?
Too late now. I think it's too late now to stop.
They might go to Kaikoura.
Look at the Waimak River.
Yeah.
That's so funky.
There's like hardly any water in it.
Yeah.
Maybe we went on the other side, because the other side would be way better.
Like cloudy.
See, I told you we'll do a turnaround.
Ladies and gentlemen, while the seatbelt sign is still on, I'd like to give you some information about the service that we'll be offering you today. Shortly we'll be moving through the cabin distributing arrival documentation.
We're about to go over there. Oh my god, we're going to land on the fucking Waimak.
Australian authorities. One card must be completed for every individual. If you're travelling with children or infants, you will need to...
Such a good day to fly, because there's like stuff all...
The Australian government has very strict quarantine regulations that cover most food, animal, and plant materials and items manufactured from these materials. You must declare this on your arrival.
Bye, Christchurch.
Please read your incoming passenger card carefully and answer all the questions truthfully, as you can receive an instant fine or face prosecution for a false declaration. Please ensure you have your passport with you when travelling with children or infants. If you are travelling with children, please ensure you have your passport with you. If you are travelling with infants, please ensure you have your passport with you. offer DigiPlayer movies on
Stingy
demand.
bastards.
For only $15, you have access to the entire range of
they'll be able to
latest
give them
release
away.
movies,
I know.
TV shows and music videos until we commence at a cent.
That is
It's Brisbane,
awesome.
the non-stop entertainment venue.
Good
is in
day,
your
eh, to
seat
fly.
pocket with all the viewing
So
available.
clear.
Today's selection is on the red side of the venue.
Would have been better for on that
If
side,
you
but
wish
we've
to
been
hire a
able to sit down
DigiPlayer,
and stuff.
please have your boarding pass and $15 available. The crew will be with you
There's no
shortly.
one sitting next to you, eh? I just so good, I
Distributing
just realised
DigiPlayer
that.
will begin our food and beverage service.
How good is
We offer a
that?
full range of items you can purchase from our a la carte menu, which you'll find in the seat pocket in front